Hello guys, we are back to our small office. So we used to suffer about light, so we got the new LED light. We will use it today as well. I don't know if it's okay or not. As you can see, it's really good. So we are interested in shooting video with our camera without the lenses. So we will make some slow motion when we shoot video with our camera, or we shoot some pictures, doesn't matter. So we will show you the result, and plus we have something new today. We are interested, we got some balls, actually, like it's heavy. So we are gonna make something interesting, like colorful water, and we will drop these balls inside the cup and we want to see how does it jump, how does it show, how does it look like. I'm sorry about that. So let's go. And it's our famous, handwork. End of the day we will sell it, but we don't know how much and who will buy it. This one we made it and we are not gonna touch it. So we are waiting for someone who will get it, but not for now. It's not for sale for now. Yeah guys, look at this ball. So we will try to flip it in slow motion effect and would love to see the result. So later on we will show you. We are going to do like this. I don't know, we have to try hard. Hey guys, we always shoot some pictures, take pictures with lens. Now we are going to try without lens. Now we will try to show you without lens, and we want to show you how this camera works actually in slow motion like this. So that speed we will show you in slow motion. Check it out. Guys, we are so tired and it's midnight 1 a.m. So we finished our job, our shooting today. We made it clean. Look at this. Well, we broke one of our glasses. Yeah, if you do something, if you want to succeed, so you have to sacrifice something else. And we'll put it in our video so you guys can see. Hope you will subscribe and give us some comment. Thank you. See you.